the obligation to fast. Women are obligated to fast on the day of Yom Kippur. However, in certain situations, halacha would mandate that a woman eat and drink. Okay. I also have many, some people that they try to go like stringent, especially on Yom Kippur and Tisha B'Av, and the truth is they're not allowed to go stringently on themselves and press and fast because of their health condition. They must eat. Right, they must eat. So maybe we're going to eat. We're going to see there is some ways around how you eat less. It's not going to be considered eating if it's going to work out for you. If not, so you can eat normally, right? So for all of the healthy people, it's must. We must fast, but for sick people, right, they must eat. It's also like for us mitzvah to fast, and for them mitzvah to eat. So when they try to fast, it's actually by hurting themselves. It's avera, 100%. So being strict is not always good. Many times it's the opposite. Okay. Continue. A woman who is expecting, nursing, or has just given birth should speak to competent halachic authorities to guide her through this complex halacha. So of course this rabbi has to evaluate her state, right? State of health. So even though it says Shulchan Aruch before 7 days we're not allowed, never allow her to fast, right? After giving birth. Like after the 7 days, in some circumstances, sometimes after 30 days, it depends on situation. But if she's weak, if she's she does not feel good, or a man is weak, so there is room to allow them not to eat. But a person cannot decide by himself or herself. Never, ever, ever. That's job of the rabbi. Okay. Of course, there are many more details. We're just going in summary.